Hey fellas, so this is another video. Now today is still the 7th of June and it is evening now on Friday June 7th 2024, and this morning I saw a video on YouTube and I want to make a reaction video because I like that video. So that is from a YouTube creator called MMA Guru. So MMA Guru, for some people who don't know him, he is a YouTuber from I don't know which country. Maybe he is from India because his name is Guru. But he make content related to MMA, and he does a live stream and reaction and a fight companion, all of those things. And in my opinion, he's most entertaining YouTube channel. Whether it is he's more entertaining than even comedy channels or movie channels or music channels, because this guy is very funny and spontaneous. He is very witty, and his interaction with the chats are with his chat are very entertaining. His chat is also very witty and they make fun of him, and then it is good banter. They make fun of each other and also of things going around in the world, UFC fighters, politicians and celebrities and other YouTubers. But that is not the topic of this video. The topic of this video is the video he made this morning, or maybe he made last night, but I watched this morning. And what he is doing something about UFC fighter pay. So in UFC, a lot of fighters complain about their paycheck. They say that UFC does not pay them enough money, and some fighters have left UFC for this reason. Most notably Francis Ngannou, who was UFC heavyweight champion, also known as baddest man on earth. So lot of people say that that Dana White does not pay fighters enough money, and the company make a lot of money, but they don't pay their fighter. Now also MMA media brings this up a lot of times. There are people in MMA media who are backed by big corporation, and they have like a lot of support from big companies, but even they have a lot of money, that means. But no one does anything about this topic. They just talk like a politician talk or like a celebrity talk, and they just do it for more views or maybe for votes, stuff like that. But this MMA Guru guy, he has a lot of subscriber in his channel and he make good money now. So what he is doing in 2025, his plan is that he will set aside some fund for each UFC card, and for fighters that are new and that are fighting at the lower end of the card. That means at the beginning of the card, when there are not many people watching on TV or in the stadium. So what happens is, when these guys fight, they may have a good performance, but it gets ignored because not many people have seen it, and because they are not very well known names, so they get ignored, and stars get more bonus and more money. And also some fighter may have injury, so then the medical cost is very high, so then they have no money to cover for medical cost, and it may be big setback to their plans as far as UFC goes, UFC career. So this guy, he said he will set aside some money and he will pay those fighters that are ignored or who don't get bonus money or who get injury from fights. And this is not for big stars, it is for less known fighter. Like I will give you one example of less known fighter, because she is fighting tomorrow. Her name is what is her name, Pooja Tomar. She is from India. So she is fighting tomorrow. Nobody really knows about her. Even I don't know. I just heard she is fighting. So I would like to see if she can win, because it will be good if she win. But yes, coming back to the topic of this video, so MMA Guru took some action. Now you may agree or not agree with his plan, but you have to give him credit for taking action. Like, he is not talking about it, he is doing something about it, and that is the kind of thing that I admire, and I think more people should be like that. Another example of this is Dana White. So when the COVID lockdown happened, everyone was shut down at home, and then also sports were shut down. So every league like UFC or the NBA or cricket, football, tennis, everything was shut down. No one was there was nothing to watch on TV as far as live sport goes. And UFC also had to shut down, and Dana White had to cancel some events. But he made a plan, and he executed the plan very well. And within a few weeks, UFC was back on a TV, and then following his lead, many other leagues came back following his similar model. So it is something to be admired, I think, because he took some action, he showed some leadership. He is the CEO or I don't know, commissioner, what is called in UFC, but he is the boss. You can say he is the boss. So instead of just talking and doing nothing and waiting for lockdowns to be lifted, he did something, and he brought live sports back, and then other leagues followed his example, and live sports came back. And then it also played a part in opening up restrictions on everyday people who do their jobs, like shopkeeper or driver or other people who work in construction, building and carpenters, all those people. So it played a part in getting the lockdown lifted. So my point is that people who take action are better than people who just talk. So it is just my opinion, because I am also just talking. It is not much action that I am doing, but you know what I am trying to say. So that is what I wanted to talk about. MMA Guru, he's a very entertaining. Please, you should check out his channel if you haven't, and you can subscribe his channel and also subscribe my channel. And the thing with MMA Guru is that he was a small YouTuber 3-4 years ago when I started watching his channel, and now he has got more subscriber, and he said he is making good comfortable money, comfortable living. So he wants to in a sense he is giving back, he's doing something. And what else? So yeah, he has now resources, and he has some influence. So maybe other YouTube channels and maybe even Dana White or some big company might join him, and they could set up a fund to take care of those lower ranked or less known fighter. But that is, I don't know if that will be a good thing, because when everybody gets money, then motivation goes down, and then we may not get very entertaining fighter. Like, I would see what happened to Conor McGregor. Like, he made a lot of money, now he doesn't fight, he's doing drugs, and he's taking long vacation, and it is good because he's made money. But now we don't get to see him fight, which is what he was good at and entertaining. So I think it has pros and cons, but the main point of this video is taking action rather than talking. And I think MMA Guru is going to take action, and I just want to give him his due, or his give him some credit for doing that. So this will, I think this will cause some what do you call, I don't know the word, but see, it will cause some stir in the industry, and then we will see some reaction, and things will be better for the fighters. Hopefully things will be better for fans also. But that is the video. So now I think I should go home and make some dinner and eat. But thank you for watching my channel and my video, and also for subscribing. And then if you share this video, then maybe I will get some more subscribers. It is windy, so this sound quality may not be very good, but try to listen to my video. Okay guys, so tomorrow morning I will wake up and make another video about something, because in tennis today you saw that Alcaraz and Zverev won. So my prediction was half right, half wrong, and then the number of sets was also off, because they did not expect 5 sets for both matches. But that is tomorrow's video. I will also tell you who will win the final tomorrow. And yeah, that is it for now. So talk to you guys later. Okay guys, good night and bye bye.